We know the enter button is a parallelogram shaped box. In it we write the words enter ARN. Then we connect the parallelogram shaped with the information given. So we're told to say we should take R to be 1 minus R. So this one you can just put it in a rectangular shaped box like this. Just put it in there. So you say R is equal to 1 minus R. From there we go to the condition. We know that is the rhombus, and you know what the rhombus looks like. So from there in it, the condition, in the pseudo code they'll give a condition if. So in your flowchart you're going to ask, so to be is R equals to 0. If R is equal to 0, automatically it will print error message. Okay? To print what? Error message. And where are we printing from? We are printing in the same parallelogram a shaped box. In it, you just write print value of R not valid. Okay, value of R not valid. Okay, so because division by the denominator is not permissible. Else, that's the else part, that's the no part here. Else, or simply put, if no, then we know to say that the computer will proceed on to processing that particular information in the processor. And we know the processor is a rectangular shaped box. In it, you simply copy this particular formula and write it into the formula. And of course we're going to say A. Now take note. Between A, take note, between A and what we have in the parenthesis here is or lies a multiplication. Okay, so what you can do, instead of writing multiplication, you just write a star on top here. So it will be A times what we have inside the bracket, that is the difference between 1 and R to the n power. So say 1 minus R to the n power, and you close, then everything is to be divided by R. Okay? Everything is to be divided by what? By R. And from here, we're able to say it's impossible for us, if R is equal to 0, you cannot actually divide 0 into anything except into itself. Take note, 0 into anything except into itself, it is not permissible. Okay, that's why the value of R will automatically be not valid. Once this is processed, we expect the information to be actually, the data to be printed out. And they'll be printed out in the enter and the display button, which happens to be the same parallelogram shaped box. In it, we just write the words print the sum of the first n terms. Take note. So never indicate end if in your flowchart. Just pick either the print or the display, depending on what is given there. Okay, as we know to say the print, the print is equivalent to end if this particular statement here is equivalent to the print, whatever, or display, whatever. Okay, take note there. Once that is done, of course, we stop. We are going to stop. We stop here. That's what you do.